Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who were born in the year of the tiger in the area of health?
Now, tiger and dragon had a very unusual relationship. On one hand, they are opposite. On another hand, they are connected if they have a rabbit as a medium between the two of them. The tiger is fairly healthy this year, but there's a blood sign. So be careful about dangerous environments, especially if you're in the construction business. Drive carefully and be careful of surroundings and don't expose yourself to dangerous environments.
How about in the area of career?
Now, you have a healing sign, an education sign, and also an analytical sign, 3 in 1. So if you are an educator, you're an analyst, and you are in the medical field, pharmaceutical field, and also if you are in big data field, such as IT and something, and accounting, you should do very well this year.
And how about in the area of wealth?
As the wealth is concerned, it's a very stable year. Not much speculative income, but not much losing money event either. So you're fairly stable. Just don't expect too much.
And lastly, in the area of marriage.
Now, marriage is easily subject to misunderstanding. So you always put yourself in the other person's shoes and don't do anything stupid. Okay, so pay more attention to the one beside you.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。